everyone. I'm really excited about today's video and I waited so we can open this together. So this is the Little Rainbow Moon Color Me Happy Creative Kit. This is, I want to say, the April kit. You know, everything is super delayed now with the post services and everything, but I think a little rainbow moon bird told me that there are still some of these kits available, and what is special about them, I mean, all of her kits are lovely. She's in the UK, and you know, now is the time to support small businesses and especially women-owned. And I did get the March kit a while back. This is the watercolor palette that came with it. Beautiful. Anyway, check out her store, and what's really cool about this particular kit is that some of my artwork is in there. So I just gave her my artwork and she did all of this wonderful work herself, but this is the first time that I'm actually seeing this in real life, and let's get to it. So everything is packaged really pretty, and it has like these, you know, coordinating, where to start? Okay, washi and watercolors I think can wait. Ooh, this is cool. So I don't know if everyone gets exactly the same things, like for example if everyone would get a yellow one, but this one is the canary yellow. These are fantastic. I have a bunch of them. Shocker, I know. These are like hard waxy pastels that are water soluble. They're lovely. And then we have some of these tissue paper circles. So this kit is perfect for junk journaling, to use in your planners. Oh, tabs. I love tabs. I'm obsessed with tabs. It's one of my things and I love adding them to my, okay, let's do it like this. To my journals. If you have seen some of my journals, you know how much I love these. So this has some of my artwork on it and some of Little Rainbow Moon's artwork on it, and they're all in these really happy, fun colors. So this will be very easy to use for me. And then we have, she always has this like really nice assortment of different papers that you can use in collages. So yeah, it's so fun to see my artwork like this. This is, I think I always try and see if it's sticker paper because I'm lazy, but no, but it's lovely. It's like a matte finish. It's not too heavy, which I prefer because I don't want my planners or journals to get, you know, too bulky. This is beautiful. And there's more swatches and some very sketchy florals. Love it. This is beautiful. So this is like really thick, lovely vellum. And these are just, you know, such fun, what are they called? Not pin-ups, not pop-ins. Not pin-ins. You know, when you glue this in your journal. I hope you know what I mean. Okay, so we have some cute word stickers. I love the size. Again, love the weight, that it's all on the thinner side. I really prefer it these days because I'm just not scrapbooking anymore like I used to. I love this. This is so cute. So you have these cute circle stickers for every day of the month. I still haven't decided where I'm going to use my kit. And this is so cute. So some really cute stickers with these sketchy frames and very pretty colorful artwork in them. And then we have, she does these papers. So this looks really like it's hand painted. I'm guessing that's what it is. And it's kind of like tissue paper. It's really lovely. And then there's another one. This one feels like Tamora River paper, which I love. And then these are a little bit thicker, but they're still nice weight, like not too heavyweight. And yeah, we have this beautiful artwork. It's not mine. but lovely. I love the colors. And there you go. And then there's an explanation about everything. That's me here. So you get everything, but now let's look at, I mean, it's all fantastic, but then there are certain things that are really fantastic. So I've never designed my own washi, and I still haven't because I didn't design this, but I think she did such a great job on it. And I'll show you everything. I love these kind of washis where you get a lot of different designs in one roll, and this would be just perfect for art journaling. And yeah, so you can see all the pretty patterns. I love it. Swatching watercolors makes me happy, and all these colors are just so beautiful, and it's so exciting to see it in a washi. I think it turned out great. And now let's see if I can rip the sticker. This is the set of watercolors. So she does 4 colors each month. And for this kit, she picked 2 colors and I picked 2 colors. And it's really fun because she writes here my instructions. So these are the colors, and I think they just sing spring. Ah, so pretty. So these, let's open them. Okay, so Raspberry Ripple. Irit described her dream pink toned granulating violet. I adore this color and just know it will be one I reach for again and again. To make it more lilac tone, just add a touch of Sanctuary, which is this one. Yes, you probably know I'm obsessed with violet. I'm really obsessed with that color. It's a color that is difficult to formulate for major brands, like the Cobalt Violet, the one that I love. It's a hard color to formulate. And yeah, to get it right is really something. So I am full of admiration. And we'll see. So the second color that I asked for is named Sanctuary. Irit wanted a cornflower blue with lots of granulation. I find this color so calming, hence the name Sanctuary. To make it more violet toned, just add a touch of Raspberry Ripple. Oh, these look so pretty. Okay, and now the 2 other colors. So this one is Nirvana, and I suggested, I'll take credit, I suggested that she does a coral color because I love corals. Well, this is coral on steroids. It's a bit fluorescent, I would say, which doesn't really translate into to the camera, but it's beautiful. It's called Nirvana and a super bright coral. I've been loving adding small amounts, a little goes a long way with this color to my journal spreads. I also really love it with a touch of Raspberry Ripple added to make a slightly more muted pink tone coral. So, and it says these 3 colors contain white pigment, which makes them all intense, opaque colors. A more translucent effect can also be achieved with the use of lots of water. And the last one is this beauty. This one is called Oasis. And she says, I adore all blue-green colors from mint to turquoise to teal. Me too. I love adding touches of shimmer paint to wet matte paint. I would definitely recommend adding touches of Oasis to wet Sanctuary. So we will try all these things. And let's start with swatching them. So you get this little card that is watercolor paper, and you can use it to swatch. I'll just grab a brush. It's just, my water is semi clean. Okay, I'll start with her colors because I'm keeping the most exciting thing. This is beautiful. So this is really like, I would say how would I describe this color? Let's zoom in just a little bit more. First of all, it's more fluorescent than you can see in the camera. It's gorgeous. I don't think I have anything like this. I love it. It is, yeah, like a neon, coral, pinky orangey color. It's like surfer dude colors. It's fantastic. And let's try Oasis. First I'll add a drop to the other two. It's always a good idea to let your watercolors, you know, moisten them a little bit so that they are easily activated, even though this activated without any issues. So Oasis, oh, this is beautiful. It's like the perfect shimmery mint color. I think you can see it, yes. I think the camera does a good job of capturing the beauty that is this color. And it's shimmery, but I'll wait for it to dry because now you'll only see to show you, I mean, because now you'll only see the glare of the water. Okay, which one? Let's start with Sanctuary. Ah, oh, lovely. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's perfect. Ah, and I see all the granulation. That is lovely. And Lily is of course here. Lily, the giddy hi.
Hi.
Ah, this is beautiful. So beautiful. Like that. And then the last one is the Raspberry Ripple. Yes. Yes, yes. It's so pretty. It's just so pretty. I mean, look at that. Look at that. I'm happy. I'm so happy. So now let's see what these can do. And I'm using my my Good Thoughts sketchbook, which I have also bound somehow. So let's see. I want to take a good... This is, I really like this paper, and I think the granulation will show really well on it. So let's start again with Nirvana. Oh, so nice. I have some fluorescent colors, but I don't think I have anything like this, and this is just fantastic. So let's first just swatch them, and I hope you can see, I mean, these are, they wet so beautifully. You can follow Little Rainbow Moon on Instagram, and she always shares these really cool videos of making these paints, which is just mesmerizing to watch. So it's such a, it's like really, how do you say, you know, Sisyphus, like such a hard work. But I hope she finds, oh, that's a horsey that Lily has. I hope she finds calm in making it. So these are all the colors swatched, and let's see what happens when we mix them together. So a little bit of Oasis with, oh, I'm out of frame because I wanted to zoom in. What happens when you mix these two? Oh, you get a lovely turquoise. Cool, very cool. Lovely. Beautiful. And there's some combination I'm really curious about. I'm really curious how this will mix with the blue. Oh, get an interesting purple, like a muted purple. And then if I add more of this, it's like a light pink. Interesting. And Lily is climbing on me here as we speak. Ah, so pretty. Okay, let's see what the violet can do. I'm just laughing at the conditions I have to work in these days. Okay, so the violet. Let's see, violet with this one. That'll for sure be pretty because I'm sure we'll get some pretty pink colors. Yep. There's a child climbing on me. There are legs on the table. Zo, niet koud?
Gaga.
That's really pretty. Is that it? Cool. So this is kind of the pinky shade that we get when I mix the two. Very, very pretty. And let's see the violet with Sanctuary.
Okay, kach ze beseder.
Oh, that's cool. We get a really pretty. I hope you can see the granulation. It's a little bit far, but it's beautiful.
את יודעת מה? אני גם את יכולה לעשות לי כבר נמל כזה פיזור וכזה והיער גleiche פיזור כמו שלו וגם מה כל כך beautiful אני גם רוצה ציירים הפאפן האלה
Well, Lily is sold. She's a happy customer. And what are the last ones that we didn't mix? The violet and the mint. Let's see. Oh, off camera, sorry. Out of frame. So again, these colors are really...
Wow, when you have it kacha, the shirt is a kacha.
Again. So you get a very kind of murky...
I know that coming you have it today.
murky purple. Very interesting.
אני אוהבת את הוורוד הזה.
נכון.
לא את הכחול ליבה.
So now it's on the floor. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll do another video actually using some of these things. I still have to decide if I want to use them in my hobonichi or a planner or something. But yeah, check out Little Rainbow Moon's shop. She does these beautiful kits every month. You have to pre-order a long time in advance, which because it's a small business and you know, she can't have a huge stock lying around, but that means that when you get the kits, it's like a surprise. And I think they're just beautiful. These colors are so interesting.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
They're really interesting. And you know, you won't find them in like major brands, which makes it really fun just to try out different things. And that has been the reveal of the kit during Corona lockdown. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.